Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the system on Samsung Galaxy F06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Software Update and wait for the results to appear. This section contains all the settings related to keeping your device up to date. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Software Update option in the search results and tap on it. This will open the Software Update settings, where you can check for available updates for your phone's system. Step 5. For the last and most important step, tap on Download and Install to begin the process of updating your phone. Make sure your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network and has sufficient battery life before starting the update. Your phone will automatically download and install the latest system update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.